For those of you that focus on painting cabinets, I just wondered if you guys could give me a little bit of insight into your process because I don't quite have a shop. And in the past, I've used customers' garages, and I'm running into more and more people that just have a used garage that aren't wanting me to set up my spray booth in there. And then, especially in winter with supplemental heat and everything, just wondered, is it better for me to just kind of not even offer cabinets in the winter until I have the means of having a shop? Or is there something else I haven't thought of that other people are doing, like just setting up in the kitchen and bringing doors in and out in a smaller rotation? Or is there anything you guys are doing?
So
Okay.
you could
Oh,
ask
sorry.
them, say let them know, probably sorry. You let them know that, say, listen, we can just stage like right over your Mercedes. You won't even have to worry about it. We get some
Yeah.
planks over the top of it, you know.
Don't worry.
Um,
We got this.
Yeah, yeah. But Sonia, go ahead.
oh, well, I have the same situation. I don't have a shop either. So I just let them know that I come and pick them up. I am on the either I haven't used the first week of it, but I just say when we come on site, we take off your doors, we take out your drawers, and then we take them to our shop, which is my garage. So I bring them out, and so I do them at my place. They don't know, so I'm just like, but
Yeah.
at least and then we stay on site there with whoever's going to stay on site, and the other person will go and get those done. So
Okay.
that's been working. That's a new thing for us, and it
Awesome.
just looks a pro.
Did you end up landing on a paint system that you like?
Um, as far as
I remember you asking about like Renner and Centurion.
oh, I'm going with Gallery for now, but
Okay.
Centurion I wasn't able to locate them. But I finally, one of my Benjamin Moore reps, he was able to source it for me. And
Okay.
then so I haven't tried it yet, but
Cool.
I have Lisa source now. But that was my dilemma. So I'm using Gallery, and I really am happy with Gallery. It's
Okay.
working really well.
If it's okay, real quick, anybody else have any more insight into that?
Well, I have the shop, but my shop, I have a 20 by 40 shop. Steve's been in it. It doesn't have water in it. I bring water in 5 gallon buckets from my house, but I only pay 215 bucks a month since 2002. My rent has not went up a dollar, and my electric is included.
What
Uh,
the heck?
yeah. So I don't like to do a lot of cabinets in the winter because I don't have overnight heat in there.
Sure.
And so for me, because I'm sort of in your spot, I don't have a shop in the winter for cabinets that much because I have to keep my heat on for a few hours during the day.
Yeah.
I try not to do them in the winter, and
Okay.
it's fine.
Yeah. Cool.
I'll throw in a little uh like caveat because I'm on the other side. I used to do cabinets and I stopped doing them just because I felt like it was too much of a hassle for me. And it was so we wouldn't get them all the time. It wasn't like the main thing that we were doing. And
Yeah.
when they did come up, it was just like the logistics of trying to plan it out and make it happen and knowing that we were doing a really great job for our customers was like weighing on me. I was like, I don't really want to offer this if it's going to be subpar.
Yeah.
So I actually found a guy in my local area and I just refer him all of our any cabinet jobs that we get. I'll just refer them to him. And we have some people who are like, and I'm very honest with them. I'll say, if you want like the best experience possible, go to my buddy, and he'll take care of you. He does charge more because he is going to make your cabinets look like they came out of a factory. But if you don't want to pay his prices, this is what you're going to get with us.
Yeah.
And some people still choose to use us because of like the price. But but yeah, I don't even try to get them.
Okay.
That was the
For
same
sure.
for me when I was in Florida, like Brandon is. So just to give some context here, in Florida, we get to paint exterior all year round, and that's where the profit is. In Michigan, I did uh, reach out to friends to see who had open like warehouses. Sometimes we'd use an empty warehouse. Sometimes, like Sonia said, our own garage. Sometimes even rent a large storage unit and throw a salamander heater in there, you
Yeah.
know, and to get it done. Just as some, creative ideas to, yeah. And then, it's another opportunity too to reach out to your network, your BNI and your Rotary or whatever. Say, hey, I've got the situation. Does anybody have a shop area that, that I'll create a spray tent in, so there'll be no overspray. And so we can, service these stores.
Yeah. Yeah. No, that's all really good. Thank you guys.
Okay. You're welcome.